We are a young family living full-time in an RV.
We sold everything to live a simpler life and to immerse ourselves in travel.
We live, laugh, and learn every day as we develop as parents.
We are documenting our son's first 52 weeks of life.
Join us as we tackle our greatest adventure yet.
We are the Merowinskis.
We're good, we never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark.
Just a casual Tuesday night. Get the boy. And a little chicken curry made by this little lady. This hot little number. And yeah, this is where we're parked currently in Boring, Oregon. So a lot of you guys have been asking, how do we do the life that we're doing? And this is one of the ways, is we trade. So we're not super rich where we didn't develop an app and sell it and make lots of money to be able to do all this. We literally are about as average or below average as it comes financially, and but this is kind of what our passion is and what we want to do. And when that's what you want to do, you just make it work, you figure it out. And yeah, so this is one of the ways to cut back on costs, rent-free living, but we got to put in the work.
So we're going to put baby in his little baby tent. We're going to go outside, do some weeding, and then we'll show you later tonight what Danny is going to be doing this evening, which is another way to get income while you are traveling or while you're in different cities.
Better than a Band-Aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I want to say. It's so hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
Danny's being a little grumpy, so we're going to throw some water on him, see if that cheers him up.
Will you be with me always? Always. Will you be with me always?
So a lot of you guys asked, how do we make this work? Like, how do we afford to do what we do? And the truth is, like I said earlier, we really don't have much money. We haven't done anything crazy. We haven't sold any wild app for millions of dollars or software. We're literally just average people that decided that this is how we wanted to live our life. And as of recent, this is day 3, I think, I decided to start driving for Lyft. And gotta say, it's actually pretty sweet. I can take it anywhere across the country. I'm currently en route to go pick up my first customer of the evening. It's Friday night, and yeah, I could easily make anywhere between 150 to 250 a day, depending on how much I want to drive. And the other cool part is I don't really, I know Portland pretty well, but I never knew it as well as I did after the first couple days of driving for Lyft. You just happen to go places you never would go to because you're picking up people from places you've never been and taking them to places you've never been. So I'm really excited to take this job on the road, especially because we're planning on tackling a few new cities And I feel like this would be a great way to not only make some money, but also learn the city, and then go spend some quality time with my family. So yeah, Brittany wanted to go up all these steps, Jude, while you were still in her belly. All these steps. Literally 2 days before you came out. And now look who's got you. Daddy's got you. Work it, babe. Work the buns. Work the buns. What do you think about that saying? Mommy's milk, give it now. That's totally for you, Jude. Did you write that? Did you write that? Mommy's milk, give it now. We're on top of Mount Tabor. We're on a mosquito-infested water tower. And what does Mama got to do?